Shauna here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a small smash box to save your coins because life is lifing and things are getting a little crazy out here. But anyway, I have created a few designs that you can get if you would like on my site that has these lovely ladies. I have, I think, 4 or 5 different templates that you can purchase. This is the one that we are going to be making today. Um, there's a few different ladies. You have an option there as well as your mark off side. There's this one and there's another one that's down in here too. But I went ahead and went to my local vendor and had this printed on UV-DTF, and then I simply purchased and they shipped it next day, and so it got to me, since it's closer to me, it got to me within 24 hours. Can you believe that? But it's amazing. So I wanted to just show you guys this. Like I said, if you're interested in these templates, you can purchase them. And then I also have my vendors list that is in my shop as well if you want to know what UV-DTF companies I am using. But let's go ahead and get started on this. Okay, so this is my UV-DTF prints. It came in a long strip with some other designs. I just cut them off. I really love how they came out. The box that I'm using is a little bit over a 4.5 by 4.5, and so my prints, I made them 4 by 4s. If you would like to know how to order a gang sheet off of one of the sites, then I can make a separate video for that. But I am simply cleaning off my box with alcohol, and then I'm taking my design, using my squeegee, rub over the top to make sure that everything sticks, then peel off the back, and I'm going to carefully add this on to the front of my box or my cube, and then I'm going to use my squeegee to make sure that it all sticks to the box and carefully remove. I like to start from one edge and carefully peel back until I get it all the way off, and I'm simply going to repeat these steps for all 4 sides. This box turned out so super amazing. If you would like any of the things that I have in this video, it is linked down in the description. Happy crafting!